Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a linked list on your blog, which is basically a list of all of your classmates' blogs. You'll need this so you can access them easily. You'll be doing this for the purposes of commenting, and obviously that's going to be part of your assessment at the end of this course. So when I've collected all of your blog addresses, you will have access to this Google Sheet. And here you can see, this is period 2, but you can see the name of the student and the name of the blog address. And we know that it's the correct blog address because it begins with HTTP and ends in .blogspot.com. Okay, when you have this, our first step is going to go to Blogger. Now, I'm on layout. You will see that this is the framework of my layout. Depending on what theme you have chosen, your layout will be different. You'll see add a gadget. So I'm going to put my gadget on my sidebar at the top. You will probably want to do the same. So add a gadget. And then I want to go and look for linked list. So it displays a collection of your favorite sites, blogs, or websites. Okay, so plus on this, plus. Okay, I want you to write DAL, class blogs, and then you put the number of students in the class. We are 16. Okay, and then, here is where we have to do the heavy lifting. So I'm going to go to the blog addresses. I'm going to take Julia's blog. I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to paste here, and then I have to press Julia. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to press add link, and I want to save. Okay, now you'll see that's there. Okay, so let's do the next one. I'm going to go to Alistair. I'm going to copy. I'm going to go to paste. And add link. If you save it as you go along, this will be beneficial and it will mean that you won't lose anything. Okay? And I want you to do that for the rest of the class. At the end, if you go to view blog, you will see that your linked list will appear here on the left hand side.